Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to set up OBS Studio for recording. First, open OBS Studio. Then from the top menu, select Tools. Then go to Auto Configuration Wizard. If you open OBS Studio for the first time, this will open automatically. Now you can see Optimize for Streaming, Optimize for Recording. Select Optimize for Recording. Then click Next. Now select the resolution. I am selecting which matches with my display. Next, select FPS. You can see there are many options, either 60 or 30, but prefer 60 when possible. Prefer high resolution, 30 or 60. If you select 60, your video will be smoother. I am clicking 60. Then click Next. Then click Apply Setting. That's all. If you find this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.